All right, guys, just a couple of minutes ago, I was live, so you'll be able to see. I'm gonna put all these videos together so you can see it instantly, but that's the difference the finish makes. So once we stain the floor, when we're doing samples, we have to stain the floor, put a couple of coats of finish on it so you can see what it really looks like. Because if we stain it and you see it, the stain is one color. See the difference? See the difference? So this here has the finish on it. Across here, working our way out. No finish. Finish. Look how that walnut feature strip, look how that pops. So, come on, focus. I describe it as, it's almost like having a nice suntan during the summer. And then your skin dries out, you get a little ashy. So once you put that lotion on, it gives it a nice, rich tan. And that's what the finish does. It just richens it up, makes it pop. Get out of the way, bro. Ooh, this is going to be so beautiful.